It won't open, look. In, it won't jiggle.
Hi, Deadlock's here again. And as you seen last week, handcuffing each other to each other. And then seeing if we're better off working together or not. I'm guessing that we're better off working together.
More than likely.
So I'm going to go first.
Well, that was nice and quick.
Yep. that actually really hurt.
Yeah, it really hurts me when you do it. No. You can't hit it with your hand, otherwise it's cheating. You can't wobble the table either.
I'm not wobbling the table, I'm wobbling your hand.
I got two out.
Well, you have to put them.
No, they aren't properly.
It's not properly because you've got a layer of 3 and now you've got a layer of 2. You need a layer of 4.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. I should have seen that coming, shouldn't I?
You should have, yes.
Yeah. See, he was me being busy trying not to hurt you. But
you hurt me. Look at that. There's you trying not to hurt me. Yeah, that's you trying to hurt me.
Well, that hurt me.
Yeah, precisely.
Okay, so
Gonna pause and reset. And we're back again.
And now we're going to try a little bit more cooperatively. Since obviously you won that one, that's part of my losing streak, I think. I don't think anyone won last week, did they?
No, last week was like just.
That was pretty much a draw. We got to about the same place. So yeah, we're working together. Who's going to the? Who's going first? Are we only allowed to use like your hand or my hand, or are we using both hands?
I think we should use both hands. So like you use your hand at the same time.
Wait, with that one, you just grab like. Ooh,
well, not one finger each, I would say.
One finger each.
Yeah, because then it makes it harder and makes it a bit trickier.
Let's do one finger. I want to do this one.
There you go then. You chose it. You got to get yourself in there.
Push it all the way out so it falls on the floor. Then we'll just... There you push it into place. Well, how many of these do you think we're calling a success?
Oh, God. Until it falls down.
Yeah, but if we do it now, it's kind of a fail, really. It's like, what? How many do we have to do for it to be a success? We've done 3. I say 10.
Okay, 10.
That's 3. That's... Oh, this one feels good. No.
Just don't do that one. Oh.
4.
My turn. My turn. Yeah.
5. What are you doing? We're working together now. That's one finger. What did you push it back in for? Oh, careful.
Well, I need you to push it out further. Just because you've got sausage fingers.
6.
Yeah.
7.
Ah, look what you did.
That was meant to be teamwork.
I was bored. I was boring.
I wanted to win.
Look at your face. I'm sorry.
So, on that bit of disappointment...
You sound like you're on Top Gear.
It's a shame I'm not wearing one of me. Wearing
Oh, I know you was the one.
Yeah.
Think I'm sleeping on the sofa tonight.
Yep. So
it wasn't. Yeah. It was just I was bored.
On that bit of disappointment. See you next time.
Bye.